Hey, right, good afternoon, YouTubers. Okay, this is just a quick video, bit of a rant, and I hope the person that has done this sees the video. But I just want to say thanks for going into my car and tipping out my glove box. The stuff you pulled out of it, you could have at least put it back, that what you didn't want. Thanks for not taking the £1.32 in change I had next to the gear stick. And also the carbon spoiler in the back. But also you took a bag of clothes that I keep in there in case we get stranded. So you've took some children's clothes. You've took both pairs of my football boots. Why? But you may have not have noticed, but you also took my locking wheel nut. This is the one thing I'm most annoyed about. You've cost me 90 quid to get a replacement key now from France, because the Citroen and Peugeot locking wheel nuts are such a pain in the arse that you can damage all the wheels trying to get them off. So I've had to get a replacement key, and then I have to obviously buy a new set. So I just want to say thanks for that, you know, Merry Christmas. And if anyone's going through the same sort of situation, maybe you've not had it stolen, maybe you've just lost it, what you need to do, you go down to your Citroen dealer and you can get the code for the wheel nut free of charge, and they order it for you. It's 90 quid. So yeah, that's the week I've had so far. But anyway, there's Ultimate Stance next week. I'm 99% sure I'm going. So if you're there, I'm gonna be there with my camera. So yeah. Right. Good evening, have a good weekend. See ya.